I do my hair talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thank you for joining me today. So I am back with the attempt to clear my skin, to get rid of hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and just dark spot I have on a regular basis. Today I'm going to be trying out the Glycolic Fix Extreme Bubble Mask, which is basically an oxygenating and cleansing formula enriched with 2% glycolic acid to smooth and retexturize the skin. It says upon application, oxygen bubble rises from the charcoal infused mask, lifting away impurities and dead skin cells. The skin is deeply purified, feeling fresh and soft to the touch. It says it is cleansing, oxygenating, exfoliating. It has 2% glycolic acid and it boosts the glow and the radiance of the skin. So you want to go ahead and apply that to your face, and then you want to go ahead and wait for the bubble to rise. That is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your face is completely full and your face is completely covered with the bubble, and then you can go ahead and take that off. And before you actually wash it off, you want to go ahead and just rub that into your face. Use it to clean your face, cleanse around your neck area, your chest. When you're doing skincare, don't just limit your skincare to your face. Try and also take it down down your neck, down your chest, and I even take it all the way back to my back, like the back of my neck and my back, because those are the places I normally have acne scars and discolorations and things like that. So you want to make sure you do that. As you can see me do here, I just went ahead, I just used the mask itself to cleanse around my neck, my chest, my face, and just go ahead and wash that, and you want to go ahead and rinse that with lukewarm water. So after rinsing that out, I go ahead and apply my niacinamide serum, also known as vitamin B3. It's a lightweight serum designed to penetrate skin effectively to regulate sebum activity, helping to prevent acne breakout. Niacinamide serum also contains vitamin B5, which binds to moisture, acting as a natural hydrator to improve skin softness and elasticity. And this also helps with blemishes and hyperpigmentation and dark spots and everything I'm trying to clear, basically. So I just go ahead and apply that, and then I continue with the rest of my skincare routine. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.